Yeah, we have taken internal project. The client's administrator is the principal or the director. Project name: setting up new computer lab. Engagement duration 3 months. Beginning date is January 15th, 2015. End date is March 2015. Then the item description. So we have the requirements are 20 computers to be delivered in 15 days. The cost estimated is 5 lakhs. Tables and chairs should be delivered within 30 days, and the approximate estimate is expected 1 lakh. Electrical work should be completed in 20 days. The estimate cost is 50,000. Software internet should be completed within 7 days. The cost expected is 25,000. Then the total cost should be 6,75,000 for investment on materials and furniture. Then another 1.2 lakh per year as a salary for the staff. Payment. The computer payment shall be made on 30th January 2015. Computer and chairs, the payment will be on February 15th. Software internet on January 22nd. Electrical fittings will be completed and payment will be done on February 5th.
One small correction here. Those of you who have just listened to what he has told, yeah. Do you have any suggestions in what I have it? In terms of the payment,
What we intend to buy is HP computer.
Madam, let me ask. This is you talking about the auditable document. Audited by whom? Internal auditor or the financial CA?
it's generally internal. This is only a project audit. It is not
Other
your
audit is
finance. Then it can boil down from the financial audit to this. If something happens in your financial statements, issues, they may boil it down to what is the source document you will use. Then this will become a source document for audit. Be careful on what you do.
So then all the terms and conditions will be applied, will be mentioned in the purchase order. Then change management process. In case of non-delivery of material as per the purchase order, the legal action will be taken against the supplier, and the PO shall be withdrawn within 15 days from the date which they have committed the delivery.
Very good. Now, this is all what we have put in the change management process. Is more pertaining to the payment terms. Okay? So that you have to specify. For example, they are going to supply for you computers. Are you going to pay them for delivering the cost of transporting the end product to the installation charges? The same hardware, software also software that are going for license software. If so, how many license software? Who is responsible for installing them? Who is responsible for maintaining them? Who is responsible for setting up the network, the wiring? Right? All this has to come in. So if the responsibilities are not identified and allocated at the beginning stage, later stages we always operate in the worst order. Professional services.
Professional services agreement. If the
Okay, our project is Tata Motors Learn and Earn program, and the client is Tata Motors, and the client administrator is Mr. Shivaram Krishnan. And our
It's a real project.
and the engagement is for 1 year, and the beginning date is on 1st February 2015, and end date is on 31st January 2016. And schedule of our rates, that is lab setup, we need 30 days, and estimate cost is 5 lakh rupees. And we need training for 2 staff, and 1 week training program is scheduled at Pune by Tata Motors. And estimate cost for us is 5,000, or that is only the train fare. Rest is handled by the Tata Motors. The training cost for the whole year is 4 lakh rupees. And the payment method for the lab setup, we'll make the first phase of payment on the 10th December, and the payment is 2 lakh rupees. And second phase is on 20th December at 1.5 lakh. And by the completion is on 30th December, and we make the final payment of 1.5 lakh rupees.
A small correction, in giving these dates, somewhere tie it up with the service on completion in the
Percentage.
No.
50%.
Yeah, and
He's going to say.
yeah. Sorry, sir.
That he will complete it. I am after my, because we did the project together, so he should also have it. The assumption is that for the materials, Tata Motors will provide 5 aggregates. Rest of is included in our lab setup, because we need to have a MMB setup lab. Then dealers will provide the service. And what the other things that they will I'll hand over the mic.
Oh,
You can.
No, we are discussing about that, but after you said that now we listen to other groups, so we started to listen. We are able to function this project. So it's on the process. It's urgent and important, that's why we are able to do it.
okay.
It's important and we need more time. So not able to continue.
Okay. No, I mean, I appreciate that because they want to incorporate some changes in terms of what are the assumptions, what are the constraints,